Well, it's time for me to reveal my dress for the Little Red Dress project that has been hosted by Renata from the Twilight Stitcher. So if you are interested in seeing that, please stay tuned. Alrighty, so thank you guys for joining me today. My name is Holly. This is Hollywood Wear. If you are new here, thank you for coming by. If you are coming back, thank you for coming back. Here you will see all kinds of things. You will see I'm a sewist. I'm a fashion enthusiast. So you may see some shoe hauls or bag reviews. I sew things, so I make my own clothes. So you'll see pattern reviews and pattern hauls and fabric hauls and how I put outfits together with things that I make and things that I buy, and all fashion related, and always on a budget. So if any of those things are interesting to you, please subscribe below. Please put your thumbs up if you like this so that I know and I can continue to make more content. And make sure you put on that notification bell because I do weekly videos and I don't want you to miss a thing. So let's get into what we came here for. So the Little Red Dress Project has been something that's been going on for several years. This is my first year, so I'm so happy to join. During November and December, everyone makes a dress that is in the red family. Now, let's talk about the color because this is the dress that I have made. Anything from bright fiery red all the way up to like a burgundy color. So I opted for the burgundy color. Please don't come for me though if you think this is a little bit more eggplanty than burgundy. When I picked it up at the fabric store, I looked at it and it reminded me of like a wine burgundy-ish color. So I hope I still qualify with this color, but I really wanted it because nothing against red, but I already have red dress. I wanted something that was a little bit more on that burgundy spectrum. So I really love this color. I think it's just very rich. We call it Merlot. It's kind of a wine color. But the pattern that I used for this was the Butterick B5850. That is the pattern that I used. It had 3 variations of dresses. I opted for the middle one. So I wanted to do the fitted one because I really liked a fitted dress. Now that's very risky for me because of the fabric that I chose to use. I'm using a heavy satin. It's like it's called a matted crepe kind of material. You know me, I like to use a stretchy fabric. Stretchies are more better for me because of my body shape. I'm more hippie, very bottom heavy, but I did cut it bigger so that I wouldn't have any issues because I really love this fabric and I didn't want to do a stretchy fabric for this dress. I could have opted for the A with the flare skirt because that would have accented my body shape as well. I have a pear-shaped body, so I'm more bottom heavy. I almost fall into the realm of hourglass, but my bust is not the same as my hips. So because of that, I don't qualify. I qualify because I'm smaller on the top, bigger on the bottom as a pear shape. So pear shapes, this would be really good for, but the middle one is good for pear shapes, for straight shapes, for hourglass shapes because of the fitted form. So that's why I chose that. This pattern is great for if you are trying to cover your tummy area because it really cinches you in. It gives you that nice definition for your waist area. And so I really like that. There was like some ruching there, a little bit of pleating that helps to cover that area. So it has a long tie. The tie is so long. Let me show you the tie so that you can see how that looks. All right, so the tie is so long, okay? So as you can see here, I've taken it off. This is it connected. So you can wear it around. I've twisted it around and you can put the bow in the front, or you could just have it and then just do like a big bow in the front. But as you can see, it really accents the waist. It brings that waist in with that. So if you have anything here that you're trying to hide, it might be good, because then you have the pleating here that helps to hide, you know, tummy areas. Then you can do the tie in the front to really hide those tummy areas. So this is like a really good way to kind of accent the waist, get you know, something a little bit extra. You can wear it straight down like this, or you can go ahead and put it back into the bow as well. Either way, but I think that it's just really good to kind of help to balance it out. Okay, so I like the bow, and you can wear it kind of, you know, either way. So you, as you can see here, I'm modeling it in the front, and that is good for if you're wanting to cover more in the front area. You can wear it in the back as well, to kind of cover behind there if you want to cover. But either way, it just was such a good dress. I just love this dress. It's so comfortable. Chef's kiss. I'm just in love. And talk about fast. When I tell you, if you need a dress that is good for covering the tummy, cinching in that waist, and really like is all for all body types, and fast. I could have done this dress if I did it straight through 2 hours. I think the most trouble that I had making this dress was the lining. I don't know what was going on with me. I read the instruction. The instruction, you know, sometimes on a pattern of instructions and the pictures are not clear. They don't coincide. So I misread it, and I don't know what I was doing. I did the lining, then I turned it inside out and tried to sew it, and then tried to turn it back, and it was all this fabric everywhere. It was just a mess. So then I was like, you know what, let me take this apart and just start over. So I took it apart and started backwards, and then I realized, oh, it just wanted me to flip it up and do it. Anyway, I hate dealing with lining. I don't know why I get so confused with lining. But anyway, once I did that, it was good. But that was probably the most area that I had to deal with as far as that's concerned. I so let me tell you my measurements, okay? I am a 39 bust, a 34 waist, and a 50 in my hips. So I had to cut. I always have to cut my patterns to match my you know, my body shape. So I actually had to cut the bottoms like a 24, and then I had to go up and then do the waist in closer to a 20. I did the bust area, the bodice, and that's one thing I like about it, because it's 2 pieces. It's the bodice, and you do the bodice, and then you can do the bottom, and so then you can put it together at the waist, and then it gathers. So it was good for me because I was able to gather it together so that couldn't even tell that it was just such a huge difference. So I did the top more of like between an 18 and 20 kind of. I literally cut it like right in the middle, and then the waist at like an 18ish 20, and then I did the bottoms at 24. Perfect, fit perfectly, as you can see. So I didn't have any issues there. So that was great. So it was a good dress. I really like it a lot. I am wearing some shoes that I had got from Fashion Nova. Such a steal. I'm telling you, this whole outfit was a budget. Like, it was just so on budget. I think altogether everything I did was $30, because I think the shoes I had bought from Fashion Nova was at the end of the season strappy sandal, and if they still have it, I will link that below. But they were like $10. I think the fabric was the crepe material. It was part of the Ember collection from Joann's, and I think it was half price. So I think I paid $5-6.99 maybe for it, somewhere around there. So I think it was like $6 a yard. Okay, let's say $6. The pattern only calls for 2 yards of fabric. Okay, so that was $12. I got the zipper. Oh yeah, the zipper was like $2. So let's that $14 for that part of the dress. 24 with the shoes, and then my earrings I actually got my earrings. I made them myself. I got them from Joann's, part of that Hildy and Joe collection. These are real leather, okay? Real leather. And then I just got the clasp when I made those. I think they were like 75% off of the Hildy and Joe. Couldn't beat it. I had to go for it. And so then I made the earrings. I think I made 6 pairs of earrings for $14. So that broke down to like 2 something each earring. So altogether like $30. Stop it. And it was quick. Get yourself some fabric. Make this dress. I'm gonna make another one. I think I'm gonna make it in black. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the straight body again or the flare. I'm not really a fan of this one because I really like the bows. I love bows, so I like the tie. I might make it here, but I need a black dress anyway. So I'm thinking about making it again in a black dress just to have it, because you know, when I like a fabric, when I like a pattern, when I like an outfit, I gotta do another one. I gotta have it. I probably have a couple of each of the ones that I'm really, really in love with. So I'm gonna do this dress again. But yes, get that one. You know, you got a date night, you got a wedding really quick. You're like, oh shoot, I need to whip, you know, what am I gonna wear? Whip it up something quick that you need to whip together to go to a function or an event, a party or something like that. This is the one for you. So I'm really, really happy with my choice. I'm happy with my color choice. Hopefully I'm okay with my color choice. So as you can see, my earrings, they have like a little, like a black and gold kind of situation. They match my nails. I had to shout out my nail tech. She did her thing with my nails. I really, 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 really like them. So it goes with the whole black and gold theme that I'm doing with the wine color. So I threw it on with one of my clutch that I had. It was a Coach clutch. Ready to go. So I'm very excited. Please go out and get this pattern. Try it. Show me. Tell me how you liked it. If you've made it, please put it in the comments below. Tell me how you like this dress. But other than that, that is my dress. That is my project, and I can't wait till next year to do another one, because this was so much fun. Thank you very much, Renata, for starting this project, because I'm very excited, ready to start the next project. Well, you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me. Love ya.